Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Gala. Wanted to do a full update. I mean, obviously because we had a lot of bullish momentum, but I've also been looking at Gala for the last couple of days. I saw that we had a pretty significant bullish breakout here above this gray key level here. So I was looking at it. I thought it was interesting. I personally wanted to see a bit more of a pullback. I think I saw it Friday. We were quite bullish then. I wanted to get some sort of a pullback down to like 2.85 cents or maybe even 2.75 cents to then continue up. But eventually what happened, and it's not completely what happened with Gala, because Gala, I think Gala is also being pushed up here, all right? So that's definitely the case, but what we saw as well is more bullish momentum surrounding gaming cryptos, all right, and that whole narrative. So fundamentally, that created a boost, but overall, I do think that Gala is, well, at least partially manipulated, all right. So yesterday we already talked about the fact that Gala historically is actually quite correlated with Jasmy. We all know what Jasmy has done. You could make the argument that maybe Gala is next, even though it's based on absolutely nothing apart from experience in the past. So yeah, but overall, I mean, purely technically, Gala is super bullish. We just had a big bullish breakout above 3.15 and 3.2 cents, which you can see historically, that's bullish. Maybe you should move it up a little bit towards 3.25 cents and 3.15 cents. Either way, we broke above that. So I have absolutely no reason to be bearish on Gala, all right? And you can also see right here, since that bullish momentum, the 5th of February, we've just seen a massive increase. So that was right here. We've just seen not like that. But we've just seen a massive increase in open interest. So more and more positions are being opened, especially yesterday. So that's interesting to see, because you can see that just in terms of what types of positions were opened, it's a bit ambiguous, and you can see that the futures positions, there's actually more and more futures are being sold, and in terms of spot, we had some big buy orders. So yeah, I would say that's ambiguous. What I would like to see is more to one side, all right? So for example, you can see right here that we had a ton of open interest building up towards the top, but then you can also see the open interest is still going up while the CVD is going down. So that means that some short positions are being built up as well, which is not ideal. All right, you don't want to see, if you know that whales are also trading Gala, which has always been the case, you don't want to see them open short positions. All right, so for now, I'm going to tell you that I am still bullish. All right. But I do think we have to hold. I do think we'll test this resistance here at 3.25 and 3.15. And if for some reason Gala is not able to hold that, so if Gala drops down below 3.15, I think we could see a bigger pullback down towards 2.75, maybe even spike down a bit lower. But something like that is the main thing I'm afraid for. All right, I assume, even though I'm not sure, we're going to watch it live. I assume that there's quite a lot of liquidity, as you can see there is. There's quite a lot of liquidity to the downside, right? So at 2.9 especially. So I'm kind of worried for this. It depends on Bitcoin. I mean, if Bitcoin stays bullish here, I would say Gala is able to hold this support level and consolidate here. And if Gala is able to hold this support level and the open interest starts increasing again, then we're fine, all right? Then we'll just rally up to 3.75 cents and we're golden. And Gala is still bullish. We've rallied up higher. But I think it's too early to talk about that now, because we first need to see Gala hold that for the next couple of days. Like I said, if it's able to hold that, and if the open interest keeps going up here, then we're fine. Then I expect more bullish momentum. But for now, I'm quite neutral, and I would personally prepare myself a little bit more for some sort of a bearish breakout down towards that liquidity at 2.85 and 2.9 cents. But those are my thoughts, all right? That's what I think about Jasmy for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.